Munch was once a dog that had everything any dog could possibly ever want. A happy family, a lucrative modeling career, and boundless energy. But now, reduced to this. A sad, overeating, beached whale. But what would cause this? With further investigation, I was going to find out. Sometimes it's the stress of everything. Everyone expects so much of me. I'm only one dog. Was there something Munch was hiding? Who was this general? And what was his connection to Munch?
Hey you. What are you doing here? Get out of here.
I could not get past the guards, so I delved into something else. You know, I love Piglet. Sometimes she might be a little possessive. Fine. Or controlling, but she means well. Once the general was away, his underlings were willing to share some information. Yeah, I know that. I know much. That flea bag invaded my territory.
Yeah, that's right. Our territory.
And when that happens, people get hurt emotionally. Was Munch yet another victim of the general's wrath?
You fox and worthless whale, when I tell you to get rid of the body, you get rid of the body.
I learned afterwards not to ask too many questions. So the case was clear. A once pristine example of purebred breeding ruined. Maybe someday Munch will overcome his oppressors and become his old self again.